Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we're gonna cover how to let the robot move in an arc path or circular path. First, you're gonna add in a move command and then add in a circular command. Our system uses 3 points to create an arc or circle. So here you'll see 3 waypoints and you can set them one by one. Let's try to draw a circle in the YZ plane. So right now, we created our arc path, and you can see that the 3 points that we set, it'll automatically generate an arc path. If you want a circular path, you can go into Command, under Circle, go into Command, and then click on Full Circle. And then you can also select how many circular turns you want to do. And there you go. You can see that we have a full circular path. And then we can ask the robot to run it and draw a circle for us. That's it. And then one extra feature that the circle command has is that when we're setting our waypoints, we can either choose that the tool orientation is fixed, unconstrained, or by points. As the name suggests, when you set the orientation as fixed, the orientation of the tools doesn't change. So this part, the tool part, the orientation will remain fixed throughout the circular path. If you set it as unconstrained, the tool will simply move in the most optimal way, and then the orientation might change when it moves along the circular path. And when you set it as via point, the robot will remember each orientation at each point, and then it will smoothly transition between the orientation of each waypoint. And that's it. We just cover how to create a circular or arc path.